Good afternoon, good afternoon. Today we are playing Sons of the Forest. This has been a very well-awaited day on my behalf. I'm very excited to play this game. I'm waiting on a homie to get on, and then we're gonna play this game for the first time and just a playthrough. I have been excited since this game came out to get it and to play it. Editing Lunchy here. I just wanted to say that at the time of the first cut, I realized that at this point that I had not been recording. We had been playing for about an hour 30 minutes until I noticed that I wasn't recording. So, GG's Lunchy. Oh, okay.
Because used to it was a blueprint, you just stuck it kind of in the side of an existing structure.
So they updated it.
Yeah, you use your axe and just split it like that.
Oh my god.
Hi.
Hi.
I know for a freaking fact, man.
We'll figure it out.
I'm losing my mind. I'm thirsty, apparently.
I am getting thirsty as well. I say we should probably craft a water filter system as well.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Oh my god, Kelvin!
Yeah. Please don't kill Kelvin.
Kelvin.
He's like our life.
Yeah, I was about to say Kelvin is a godsend right now. Okay.
You're taking killer to a whole new level, dude. Dude, I've said so much, and that's what makes you laugh. Is my sense of humor broken? I'm starting to worry.
No. Oh, mother freaking poopy.
Huh?
I said mother poopy.
Okay, but why though?
Because I came out here to see another...
Oh.
I came out there to get a couple logs, and I only found one, and I would have to completely tear down an entire tree.
I feel like I built a lot of the cabin. I want you to like actually be building stuff too. I don't want to take it away.
You said what?
I feel like I've been building all of the cabin. Like I don't want to take it from you.
I mean, I've been putting down a lot of logs for the posts in the wall. So I mean,
Oh god, I thought you struck me for a second. That freaked me out.
if only in real life the logs fell and broke like they do in games.
Where they fall the direction you're looking.
Well, they fall and then they just cut themselves into logs.
Have you seen the machines that actually
No.
like the ends of excavators and stuff that cut down logs?
Oh, I actually made it.
Cut down trees?
I actually made one of the couple planks to the roof.
Oh, okay.
Oops.
Oh yeah, I guess it's important, huh? Oh, actually, you know what? You know what I just remembered?
Chicken butt.
What?
Okay, that too. You know what else we can do?
What?
Check this, right? So I'm gonna put these down, and then I'm gonna
Whoa. They're like firewood?
not quite. Hang on, sorry. Dude, are you kidding me? I need a full log put up against that so I can walk up there.
All right, give me a second.
Awesome.
No way we're making this two-story.
No, not quite. Oh, now I need up there again. Dang it. Oh, and then I can take these, I guess.
Okay, so what are we doing?
Oh, you're about to find out.
Okay.
Let's go get more logs.
Literally, story of my life, man.
What do you need, logs? How many do you need? Yes.
What do we want? More
Logs.
When do we need it?
Who do we want to get the logs?
Kelvin!
Not me!
Not me.
There we go, now it's barn shaped.
And something else that I've noticed is, oh, okay, I see what you're doing. Okay.
You'll have to hop up there on the... That'll work too.
Motherfucker. And that's just to build the roof, right?
Yeah.
Wow. This is coming together very, very nicely.
And honestly, rather quickly.
Yeah.
So what's nice is when you cut these, you're still using the whole log, but the little ends go well on the outside,
Uh-huh.
and then the thirds, the 3/4 ones
Uh-huh.
go in the center. You're still using the whole log.
Yeah.
Nothing's getting left over, which is great.
Timber! Yeah, imagine that destroyed the entire log cabin.
Big sad.
Big sad. Oh my god, bro. Okay.
What? Hold on, I'm confused now. Oh, there's no other log here. I'm such a smart dude. I'm so smart. Might even call me a genius. What is this? Hang on. Oh, it's a full log. I'm just crazy. Okay, so if I do this, right? Oh, Virginia's back.
No. Who's Virginia?
What?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Virginia. She's over there. What is she looking at? And there she goes. She's running away. Yeah, she doesn't trust us yet. I wonder why.
Rip. Holy fuck, I don't have any blueberries.
Go find some, gamer.
Alright, how about
Kind
this?
of important.
What are you? Traps, gardening, utility.
Bro is not about to try and craft blueberries.
No. Oh, that does
It
not sound
sounds
good.
like it.
What the fuck?
Kelvin's pointing. Oh, we got company.
I know. I don't see him.
They're ahead of me. See him kind of in the woods. Oh, dude, it just got so dark.
Yeah, I did.
And then I put the lighter away and it gets brighter. Wait, what are we doing? Wait, hang on.
Let's build a fire.
Yep, that's exactly.
I can't build a fire.
That's worse. That is actively worse. Well, now they just know where we are.
Well,
I don't think this worked out very well.
I am thinking the same thing. Shall we go to sleep?
Just lay on the floor somewhere. Here, hang on. Yeah.
Oh,
Actually, should we go to sleep when something knows where we are?
yes. It's the only answer.
Okay. You
Uh,
the boss.
I have a grenade.
You have a grenade.
I have a grenade. I have rocks, seeds, tape. Oh my god. And I have C4.
Oh, I'm already dying of thirst. Cool.
Me too. I say we go to the forbidden water pond and drink some water.
Yeah, I'm just gonna drink the nasty water, honestly. Like, life or death.
Oh my god.
Life or death, and brother, I'm sick. All right, the tent's up here, so.
Okay, what does the yellow mean? On my health bar?
That's your energy, I think. Maybe. I can't tell.
Okay.
Oh, it might be health. Yeah, that might be health.
That's not good.
Never is.
You are thirsty. Yeah, tell me something I don't already know. Kelvin's just chilling, bro.
Yeah, he just chills by the fire. He's living his life. We're surviving. Oh, my bad.
I don't
bro.
know what happened, but okay.
Sorry, bro. I got possessed by Cain.
You go potty? Go.
Dude, that was probably the best joke I've cracked yet.
Yeah, that was pretty good.
I'm so sad.
Said I was possessed by the spirit of Cain.
Do I have anything to cook?
I don't have anything to cook. I
can
have.
stoke the fire.
I don't
Alright,
even
well,
think
that's
I can do that. I think I've used all my sticks.
That's
Oh no,
fine,
I
bro.
have
I'm
plenty.
a college student. I'm used to this.
Rip.
It's life. Alright, well I got the tent up here, so.
Oh, I heard
if you wanna
voices.
sleep. Did you?
Yeah, I heard whispers.
Oh, great. Oh, they're here. You stay away. Yeah, they're over there in front of you. Put your lighter away, honestly. I think it's easier to see without it. Because it doesn't try and change your vision. I'm like rolling around. Oh, okay. I guess we're fighting the cannibals. Dude, there's like 4 of them.
I see that. I'm about to die.
Watch Kelvin. Kelvin's in front of you. Ah.
Hold on.
Get him, Kelvin. Leave him alone.
Oh my god, I got.
Yep. Be careful. I'm swinging at him.
I'm dead.
You're fine. You're down. You're not dead. Why'd you pick the fight, Love G?
I thought they were lunging at us.
They were coming to investigate, but they weren't gonna fight yet, I don't think. Kelvin ran. Kelvin is gone. Not that I blame him, he just got palmered.
I killed one.
Good.
Oh, there's one on me.
I saw him. Oh, they just keep running around. They're like the Blade and Sorcery AI, they just run around and try and hug you.
There's okay.
Oh, it's a raccoon. Okay, bye. Oh, Oh,
Bro, what
Lunchy,
the?
you keep, Lunchy, you keep running in front of me, dog.
My bad. I'm dead.
Well, I keep smacking you. Aw, homeboy.
Fire, fire, fire. Mother.
I saw him. This guy turned into bones. Did you grab that skull?
I might have.
That's fine. Because you can make a club out of it if you want a good weapon.
Got time to make a weapon?
It's literally just, I think, a stick and a skull, so yeah, probably.
Okay. Okay, so there is a stick. I don't know where the skull is. No, I didn't grab the skull. I only have a bone.
Do I have the skull?
You might have the skull.
I do not have the skull. I might have clipped through the ground. That's unfortunate. I killed him. Okay, I'm turning my brightness up a little bit because
Ah, it's right here. I got it. 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 I have the skull.
Okay. Okay, I turned my gamma up a little bit so I can actually see the cannibals. Not well, but I still can.
Crafted club. It says. Is that? I don't know if that's tape or if that's rope. It might be rope.
Does it not look like just a roll of...
Yeah. So
Blue tape?
no, it does not. It's not a roll of blue tape.
Okay, it's probably rope or cloth.
I gotta go drink water.
Go ahead. Yeah, I'm also gonna starve.
There's a cannibal over here.
We should probably put the house on hold for right now. Oh, dude, actually, if they fall in the water, they just drown.
And I have to eat some sort of meat.
I'm eating enough plants that I'll survive.
What kind of plants?
Arrow leaf, blueberries, and yarrow.
It's not letting me eat them.
Like in the bottom
Oh,
of your
oh,
inventory?
okay, okay.
Are they plants or seeds?
It's the
Okay.
seeds. Okay.
You would think you could eat those.
Can you eat aloe vera?
Yeah, aloe's safe. This game generally follows the actual... Oh, it's a stripey.
Are you good?
Yeah, I'm stabbing this cannibal. That's one dead.
Oh my god, hi.
There we go. Throw her on the fire. Don't get too close. Nice. Now they'll turn into bones. Worms? I see you. I saw you.
What the fuck? It de-equipped my spear.
I hit him with a spear, he fell out of the tree. Oh, gee. Oh, crap. That scared me so bad. Oh my god. I didn't
What?
even see that one. One of them came and downed me. I didn't even see it come up, dude.
Oh! Okay.
Oh no. Uh-oh.
Are you dead?
Yeah. Well, I'm down.
I'm down too. We're gonna have to die.
Oh goody.
I think.
Well,
I guess we should build walls? Question mark.
We should probably get food and things. Yep.
Oh my god, no way. What is going on? What is this?
Oh, our kid's in the middle. Leggy, they're coming. Yep. Oh. Ow.
I'm down.
Oh, you are?
Yep.
Ow. Oh, but there's a spear thrower.
Oh my, okay, I'm down again.
Oh, I just been to throw a spear at his friend. That's hilarious. I forgot this is on hard.
So, do we cut and then get our kits and go?
Probably.
Okay.
Yeah, because that spear thrower's gonna tear us up.
Alright. I'm running.
Go for it.
I don't know if I have my kit. I'm tired,
Grab it out of the
and
center.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Lunchy, no!
I grabbed. This game is pissing me off. I don't know what we do. I literally don't know what we're supposed to do.
Well, this guy's chasing.
Oh my
they're chasing
fucking
us over here,
god.
so
Okay. This is so fucking stupid. I'm down again.
ow. I know. I just got you up. I'm down. Run.
No,
Moves
yeah.
up.
As soon as I got up, I got down.
Okay. In the center of the camp, where that exclamation point is your kit.
I know.
Just making sure.
But here's the thing: we're all so tired, we're hungry, and we're thirsty.
We spent too long building the house. I'm gonna be real. That's partially my fault. Here, how about? Should I escape first? Like, grab my
Well,
stuff?
I already.
Okay. If this becomes a problem again, I'll run first. Also, in these animations, I don't think you can get hurt, so...
Okay.
Are you down?
Yep.
Alright, hang on, buddy. Oh,
Alright, I'm running.
oh, they struck me again. It's fine. It's fine. Get out of here.
I have to walk away. I have to walk away.
Alright.